Every second your Shopify store lags, customers vanish. Think about it, 47% of shoppers bounce from slow sites, and that's money flying out the window. Let's stop the bleeding, fast. Here's the first fix: images. If you're rocking huge 5 megabyte photos, you're slowing everyone down. Compress those images, use TinyPng or convert to WebP. Next, clean up your app list. If you've got a graveyard of 10 or more apps, delete what you don't need. Just these two moves can slash your load time by half. Ready for the next level? Head into your Shopify theme settings. Turn on browser caching. That means your shoppers' devices remember your site so it loads lightning fast the next time. Flip on lazy loading for images so they only show up as your customer scrolls. And if your theme supports it, minify your code. Cleaner scripts, faster pages. These pro tips, they're usually free and built right in. Wondering if it's working? Test your site with Google PageSpeed Insights. Shoot for a score above 90. If you're stuck, try speed boosting apps like Swift or Booster. Sometimes they're a game changer. And here's a bonus. Speed isn't just for impressing customers, it's SEO gold. Google rewards fast sites with higher rankings. Cut your mobile load time from 3 seconds to under 1, and watch your site climb and conversions soar. Now it's your turn. Transform your Shopify store from a 5-second drag to a sub-1 second sales machine. Grab my free Shopify speed checklist at growpulse.com and get started today. Don't let slow speed steal another sale. Make your store lightning fast.